How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. The first things first, you have to make sure that you're only using one single account for both Play Games and Google Play Games. Now, right here, from your Google Play Games, you'll have to log in to your current email address that you'll be using to your Game Center, which means once you use your current email address and then using it to another game center, it will automatically sync all file specifically from your Google Play games directly to your game center. Now, if you already logged in to your current email address to Google Play Store, once you have Play Games downloaded, you'll just to pull it up and make sure that you are using your current email address that you use from your Google Play Games. Now, just click on these three dots right here and then go to Settings. You scroll down and then under Your Data, just go ahead and press on Change Account for Games and then go ahead and change it. Now, what I can recommend you to do is to go with change the default account only for a new games or change the default account for all games. Now from here, you just have to choose on the same email address that you use from your Google Play games and it will automatically sync all games that you have. So from Google Play games to Game Center, it will automatically transfer all games that you have from Google Play games. So that's basically it. It's how you transfer Google Play games data to Game Center.